2.1 Functions and their graphs. Input is the domain, output is the range. For this example, -3, 1, 4 is the domain and the input. 3, -2, 1, 4 is the output and the range. Is it a function? No, because the input is 1 mapped onto both -2 and 1. For this example, it is a function because each input in the domain is mapped onto exactly one output in the range. An input cannot share an output, but an input can share an output. X-axis, y-axis. Origin is always 0. Quadrant 1, x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Quadrant 2, x less than 0, y greater than 0. Quadrant 3, x less than 0, y less than 0. Quadrant 4, x greater than 0, y less than 0. Okay, let's graph -4 together. So you move 1, 2, 3, 4, then move down 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be your -4, -4. This is how it should look like. Linear functions, y equals mx plus b. M is slope, b is y-intercept. Slope equals rise over run. Function notation, f of x equals mx plus b. To evaluate y, we have to plug x into the equation. So -2 plus 1 equals y, which y is -1. So the -1. You could do this in your head, so then it will be 0, 1, 2, 3. That was just an easy example. Okay, let's graph this. Go left twice, 1, 2, then down once. Then go left once, don't go up. Then 0, 1, then 1, 2, and 2, 3. That's how you would graph it. The slope would be 1, and the y-intercept would be 1. Is it a function? Yes. Evaluate functions. Evaluate the function when x equals -2. Plug x for -2, so it'll be f -2 equals -2, and then you square it, -3 times it by -2, then plus 5. Then it would be -4 plus 6 plus 5. Your final answer would be 7. For g of x, put g times -2 equals 2 times -2 plus 6. -4 plus 6 would be 2. For this example, is it a linear function? No, because it has x squared. For this example, is it a linear function? Yes, because g of x equals 2x plus 6, and that is like y equals mx plus b. Let's graph this. Okay, y equals 4x. Slope is 4, and to get 4, it would be 4 over 1. So let's start at 0. Go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Run once. Go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up. And then you repeat. Then to go down, you go left once and 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. For 2x plus 5, 2 is slope, 5 is y-intercept. So find 5 in this graph. 5 would be right here. For y-intercept, it would be like this. It can only be y. There cannot be any axis. Then rise twice, run once, rise twice, run once. And these two hit 3, 8, and we'll be learning that in chapter 3. F of 3 equals 3. 3 would be your final answer. F of 3 equals 6 times 3, which will be 18. F of 3 equals 2 times 3 plus 7. 6 plus 7, 13. F of 4 equals 4 minus 11, which would be -7. Absolute value of -6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Last one, evaluating functions. Feel free to try this one on your own. F of 2 equals 9 times 2 cubed minus 2 squared plus 2. 9 times 2 cubed, which would be 8. Subtract that by 4 plus 2. 72 minus 4 plus 2, which would be 70.